Ever pondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize your content creation process? It's a question that's been stirring minds in the creative world. Today, we'll unravel this conundrum and explore how AI can make content creation not only easier, but also profitable. Imagine having an assistant who never tires, works round the clock, and delivers impeccable results. That's what AI brings to the table. It's a tool that can supercharge your content creation, whether you're a blogger, vlogger, podcaster, or any other type of creator. The first step in utilizing AI for content creation is understanding its capabilities. AI can generate ideas, draft content, and even edit it. For instance, AI can analyze current trends, identify what's popular, and suggest content ideas that align with these trends. But how do you get AI to do this? It's simple. There are several AI-powered tools available. One such tool is an AI content generator. Simply feed the tool with a few keywords or a brief description of the topic, and the AI will generate a comprehensive piece of content. Next, AI can also help you refine your content. With AI editing tools, you can get suggestions for improving your content's grammar, style, and overall readability. Just paste your content into the tool, and it will provide recommendations for improvement. Beyond that, AI can also help you optimize your content for search engines. SEO tools powered by AI can analyze your content and suggest keywords, meta descriptions, and other elements that can improve your content's search engine visibility. However, remember to always review and revise the AI-generated content. While AI is a powerful tool, it's not perfect. Your human touch is still necessary to ensure the content is engaging and resonates with your audience. Now, how does using AI for content creation translate to making a lot of money? Well, with AI doing the heavy lifting, you can produce more content in less time. More content means more opportunities to earn, whether it's through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products or services. Moreover, AI can help you create high-quality content. Quality content can attract more viewers or readers, which can increase your earnings. It can also improve your credibility and reputation, which can open up more revenue opportunities. In a nutshell, using AI for content creation can help you create more, create better, and earn more. It can generate content ideas, draft content, refine it, and optimize it for search engines. And while it's a powerful tool, remember to always add your personal touch to ensure your content resonates with your audience. By leveraging AI in your content creation process, you can transform your creative journey. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. And with AI by your side, the sky's the limit for what you can achieve. So, why not give it a try? It might just be the game changer you've been looking for.